So hey guys, in this video I'll be taking a look at the Naviforce NF8051L and I bought this from Flipkart. Price is somewhere between 2500 to 3000, but you can also buy it from Amazon, but the price is on higher side. So I just bought it from Flipkart. So before buying this product, so I got 200 off. Along with that, some bank discount, so it cost me around 2300 rupees. So let me start with the outer and inner packaging. The watch arrived neatly and securely packed. Good point about this brand is that they have provided this extra layer of packaging. This outer packaging you get, this protects watch, and in particular this inner packaging from getting damaged and during transit. So that's really good, and the outer box has all the important details mentioned here. Let me show you. You can pause this video for your reference. So talking about this brand, so I have been exploring watches from this brand Naviforce, and this model really caught my attention. So let me quickly remove this folder and show you what you get inside. Although I already uploaded a separate unboxing video that you can watch it, but let me show you here and just talk about it. So you get this cardboard kind of box. Let me remove this. So we get this main unit inside this. Let me keep it aside, and we get this protective plastic cover to protect it from rain and dust, this microfiber cloth to clean the glass, this international warranty card, and this user manual that lets you know how to use it. So that's all we get, and we get this tag, and this is attached to watch as soon as it arrived. So let me keep them aside and finally talk about this main unit. So this watch Naviforce NF8051L is a stylish men's analog chronograph watch with a bold yet refined look, as you can see in this video. And it features a 44 mm round case that gives it a strong wrist presence without feeling oversized. The dial stands out with a distinctive honeycomb texture. Let me show you here. And that's adding depth and a modern sporty character to it. 3 chronograph subdials, as you can see in this video, create a technical dynamic appearance, while luminous hands visuals improve visibility in low light. And let me show you if I can. See, this is glowing, and that's not really dark, but it works really good on this watch. The watch is paired with a genuine leather strap and buckle clasp, giving it a classic and comfortable feel. So overall it blends with a sporty design with elegant and everyday appeal. So I recommend this watch, Naviforce watch, and this is really good. This looks really premium and the price is competitive. So it's better to buy this. So that's all from my side. I hope that this video will help you out in making buying decisions. Thank you.